Hey friends, I'm working on my new hydroponic setup, and this is what I had. I bought this from YouTuber Indoor Harvest Gardens. I don't know if he's still active, but basically the 2-inch net cups go in here. You've got an 8-hole pattern, and this is the top of a bussing tray. You can get these bussing trays on Amazon. So I got 5 of them because I wanted to set up a whole larger system. So what I did, the first thing I did was put this tray and use that as a pattern, and drilled holes in each of these, and drilled all the way through. So this one is done. These are the new ones. These all have a hole pattern in them. And the next step is to use a 2-inch hole saw. And basically, I cut the first one here. I'm using the holes that are already drilled through as the pattern. And I do have that piece that I got to put out. But once the hole is drilled, then you can come back in with a round file and clean it up a little bit. Get the plastic dust off of it, and that's pretty much it. And I have 5 more to go, or 4 more to go, but that's pretty much how you set it up, and then the net cup will fit in there. So here's the new setup. I just got back from out-of-town vacation and just started these seedlings a week ago. They're another week in there, and they will be ready to go into one of the bins. I've got these 6 trays, and just prepped all of them. I will be starting 1 a week. The intent with this system is every week 8 lettuce leaves are started, and after the 2 weeks in the small trays, the seedling trays, then they go into the big trays, and so once a week these will be filled up. 6 trays plus 2 weeks in the seedling tray gives me 8 weeks before I have to take them out and replant a new one in there. So I have a little bit more time to let them grow than I did with my 4-bin system. One thing, this one on the end here, this one is a 7-inch bin, and the others that I have are 5-inch. I think the 5-inch is going to work fine. I'll have to add a little bit of water probably. I may have to get another 5-inch just because this is too high, and the distance between the plant and the lights is going to be different. So I think it's pretty likely I'll just get another bin and just to get them all at the same level. So I expect that those smaller bins will take 3 to 4 gallons. The big bin, those took 5 gallons. And I also have my air system. My air system is, I've got bubblers in each of these. You can see Airstone. And I've got this manifold here. I can turn on whichever ones I want and turn the others off. That's important because if you have a Airstone that's not in water, it takes away the pressure from all of them. The other thing I have now is I've got an outdoor timer, and well, I don't have good light on it. Let me angle a little bit here. And this is Menard's timer. Was on sale for $10, and it's an outdoor timer. The most important part is that it has a ground, and I got to check to make sure I have that connected. But the other timer that I had, which is over here, was one of these type of timers. Notice there's no ground, and that's a little bit of a security thing, that if there is a fault in one of the lights or the air pump, then I will have basically the ground will cause the circuit breaker to kick in, and it will immediately show up as a problem. So I don't know if you can really see this, but that's my wacky system here, and got it running 17 hours, and actually I'm going to turn off the lights other than the ones that I'm using here on the left, upper left, the seedling light. But I'm ready to go, ready to get started again.